See, so first click File, then click New. Okay, then you will select A3 size from there, A3, and later, and select, like this. Okay, or you can select File, New, and A3, like 4. This is a international paper, A3. Okay, now click View and click New Guide Layout. What? Then you will select column 3 column. Okay, and this gutter difference 0, and margin also 0 from every side. Okay, so how many columns? 3 columns, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then click OK. Now we have 3 sections. You can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first you can select this one. So for a brochure you can select one color or two color. So like we will use, for example, this color. Opacity is 100%, like this. Then also select this one column, and then select paint bucket, and okay, now the center one you can select also this column. Okay, then you can select like gradient, and gradient, for example, if we apply this gradient like this, we can change the gradient like this one. Or any other. Okay, not bad. Okay, but if you want another, so you have to click here, or you can select this one. So you have to click here, gradient, noise, samples, append. This one. Okay, now for example you are going to create a brochure for a food company. Okay, so for example if we open this one, and here if you write like pngimg.com, you got my point, confusion. And if you search here like burger, huh? Brochure. Brochure. Menu? So right click and save images. Okay, I will save in desktop like burger. And we can go to file of Photoshop and place embedded, and then we can place which is in the desktop, this one, and place, and then enter. Now you can move with move tool if you want. Here, okay, and few images if you want, you can. So we will use access.com, any website which offer royalty-free images which you can use without having to worry about copyrights issues, you know, like food. So we will download 2 images, like right click, open link in new tab, and also, you know, this one. Right click, save image as. In desktop, like food 1, and this one in desktop like food 2. Then we will go back to this, and now we will create a guide, for example, from here like this, and then another guide like this. You understand? Then file, then open. Okay, and now no, open. First open food 1 and food 2, both you can open. Press and hold control in Windows, and press and hold control and select multiple files, then click on open. In Mac it's command. So now you can select like this, command C, and then first select this area, and now click edit and paste special and paste into. Remember this one, so it will place inside that. Now you can, now you, no, control V will paste in the center of the document, not here. Now if you see, change the size even, so it will be inside that one. Okay, same thing we can do with the second image, like command A or control A to select all, then control C to copy, and then here you can select this area, and here now edit, you know, paste special, make sure the background layer is selected and paste into. Then control T or command T, and then press and hold alt plus shift and change the size. Alt plus shift. You can move this layer now on top. Okay. Okay.
Then we can write something.
Now
here.
we will write like T and type here. Like from here you can change the color. From here you can change the font family, like like Calibri, bold, italic, and the font size is, for example, 100, even 200, and company name. Okay, so whatever the company name, you can write here company name. And make sure this is in the center of the document. Okay. Then here we will select text and create a box here. Like this is about the company. So you can select here, for example, 100 pixels. and click type
That 100
and
is for
less
words.
size. Yes, paste lorem ipsum. So paste lorem ipsum is, dummy text, and this one also can be in the center of the document. You can see there is a hyphen. So hyphen, you can click window, and paragraph, in paragraph hyphenate you can uncheck. Okay, this is in the center of the document. Okay, now here we can write about first food and this is second food. So what we can do, we can press and hold alt to make duplicate layer. This is make sure in the center, and this one is, we will change it to first food, whatever the name of the first food. Okay, then press and hold alt to make duplicate, and then change it like, second food. And then again click text. Okay, and here we create, type paste lorem ipsum. First change it to 100 pixels, then type paste lorem ipsum, and for this paragraph you can also click window and then paragraph and hyphen it, you can uncheck, and then press and hold alt key, same in Windows and Mac, to make a duplicate layer. See, now you can click view and show guides, you can uncheck this. See,
The spelling.
hmm?
You need guide for what? For words that.
No,
Words that.
these guides. Okay. See, so this is your basic brochure is ready.
So you said first before creating we want free, right?
Yes.
For now. For free.